today we're gonna do a traditional fall makeup tutorial. I asked you guys on my Instagram if you wanted more of like an edgy fall makeup look or just kind of a more traditional makeup look, and that's what you guys voted, so that's what we're gonna do today. So I already have the face done. I applied my foundation, the translucent powder, the contour, all that sort of stuff to kind of save us some time. But if you have not seen my flawless foundation routine, I will have a card up above for you guys to go check that out. But I wanted to save some time so we get right to the good stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna start with those brows, and I want to do more of like a natural kind of model brow, but not like too much. I'll show you what I mean. Using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, we're gonna kind of just shape those eyebrows a little bit, color them in, and there's some sparse areas. I just want to fill that in. I literally have a zit right inside my eyebrow, but it actually could not have been better because my eyebrows hide it. I think those brows are good to go. So I'm not really kind of overdrawing them, just kind of reshaping and filling in the sparse little areas. Okay, so an hour later, I was able to find my boy brow by Glossier. So we're just gonna kind of brush this through the eyebrows, make them a little bit messy, but like controlled messy, if that makes sense. So I'm just gonna like brush at the top, make them look a little bit, you know, bigger, fuller than what they are. Going in with my Smashbox 24-hour photo finish primer, pop this all over the eyeballs so we have a nice little primer going on, and that color will look the best that it can, at least show up the best that it can. So we're gonna pop this all over, and then we're gonna go in with the Smashbox Full Exposure Palette, and I think we're gonna dab into this light gold right here and pop that on the inner corners of our eyes. And then we're gonna go to the deep gold right next to it and kind of like overlap it. Okay, so next we're gonna go over, we just use this color, and we're gonna go over to this one right here, this kind of deep brown. We're gonna pop it right next to it. Using a blending brush, we're gonna go in with the brown right here. It's kind of like this dark shimmery brown. It's really pretty, and it doesn't come off super, super dark. And we're gonna buff that into the outer corners. We don't want those edges to be super blocky, so we're just gonna kind of blend that out. And now I'm gonna go back in with this kind of deeper brown right here. It's like a kind of a chocolate brown. We just use this one, and now we're gonna use this one. And we're gonna pop this on the outer corner also. Kind of buff that into the outer corner. Make it a little bit, give it some more dimension. Okay, so back with my full exposure palette, we're gonna go in with the black eyeshadow right here and a little flat brush, and we're gonna just pop on some liner. I love the texture of a shadow liner. I feel like it's just a little bit more natural. It's not so harsh. I'm personally not a fan of the liquid liner because I think it comes off a bit too harsh, and you have to be super, super precise with it because then you can see all like the little jagged edges. So in order to avoid that, I just use eyeshadow. And if you mess up on eyeshadow, you can usually just like smudge it off. So it's super easy, and I really like the look of it. So I'm gonna use this Sephora Collection Cream Lip Stain, and this is in the shade number 72, and we're gonna pop this all over. So, because it's fall, we want a little bit of a golden glow, and so I'm gonna use the Mercier. This is the Face Illuminator in the shade Addiction. I use this all the time. It's so, so pretty. But this is gonna be the cherry on top of the makeup look because it's nice and golden and it's just perfect for fall. So we're gonna pop those on the high points of our cheeks. We don't want a whole lot. It just kind of ties the look together. I'm not looking for a blinding type of highlight. We just want a little something to tie it all together. Okay, so now it's time for some mascara, and I literally forgot to put mascara on. I'm not gonna lie. I finished recording, I was literally getting ready to edit. I literally forgot to put mascara on, so how do you forget that? I don't know. So I'm gonna go with my Nars. I think this is the Climax mascara. They gave it to me as a free trial in, I think it was Mecca Maxima. Like, ooh, this is super fun, and it's really great. It's really volumizing, and I really like it. So we're gonna pop some of that on. Oh yeah, I also like that it's super black. It makes your lashes look really dark and real luscious. So it's really fun. I really like it, actually a lot. It makes a difference. And I'm gonna put it on the lower lash line as well. I used to not do that, but I really, really like it now. It just kind of makes your eyes look a bit more open and more wide. I never used to do that when I was like in high school, but girl, it's a must now. Okay, but for real, now I'm actually done. So this is the finished look. Actually though, this is the real finished look. So now you guys actually have a look to go with your pumpkin spice lattes. How perfect. I'm just kidding. But no, I really do like this look. And I like how it's kind of not like super glam, but it's like in between glam and natural. So it's very wearable, very realistic. You could go out and actually do things and not maybe one event where you have a full-on glam face. So that's always what I'm all about. And I really like this look, that it's kind of like that happy medium of those two, natural and glam looks. Be sure you guys hit that subscribe button if you do like this video and you find it helpful and you like these more types of natural kind of glam looks. And I guess that's all I have for you. So I will see you guys so soon. Bye-bye.